I'm recording a video with my friend Sunster because he's look like a monkey. Yeah.
I'm lagging,
Bro. He already there, bro. Let's go.
Move, man. Come on.
You're dumb, bro. Yo. Fuck.
You can't say it.
I'm a pro like you. I'm a pro, Luke. I'm a pro, bro. I'm a pro. No one can beat me, bro. Yo. I'm a. Ow.
You can't be serious, man.
I'm a pro, bro.
Hell no.
Maybe I'm going to the next path. Oh. Yes.
How you do this?
No one can beat me.
Falling.
No, we cannot beat this game, bro. We're not.
You even pick this.
Bro, we can't beat this game. Please help us.
Why did you pick this game? Why would you pick this?
Hey, get out of the way there, bro.
Bruh.
Bro. I hate this game. I just tried this for you guys.
Ow.
I'm just trying this for you guys. I hate this game, bro.
Alright. I'm at the second level already. Alright. I mean, we might go for that time, but...
I'm gonna cry. Wait, what happened?
No, man.
Bro, what happened, bro?
You might reset it.
Bro, what happened?
No, you have to do that all over again.
Bro.
Bruh.
At least it's much more easier now.
Alright.
Easy. Easy. It's so easy, bro. Wait. It's so easy. Easy, bro. Easy. I'm a pro. I'm not like you, bro. You're a noob. You're a noob.
Shut up.
Noob. You're a noob, bro.
Shut up. I'm
Easy. Bro died.
I did not die.
Hey, wait. Nah. I can't do this.
Bro, you just dead? Damn. You so.
Bro, yeah. Where are you, bro? Oh, napagay ka niya. I'm just speaking.
Why is this so hard?
Noob. You're a noob.
Then why are you here? Why are you down here with me?
Fuck you, bitch. You know what, guys? I'm done with this game. This is so blah 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 blah. You wanna play Black Sport now?
No.
Fire and Bounty? Nah.
No. Alright. Where do you go then?
Bro died. Bro died.
No!
Bro died.
I was at the top.
Bro, noob.
Bro, you can't say that.
You noob. You noob. Nagi ka sa But you still down there, bro.
Whatever, man.
I'm just feeling.
See? You can't talk to me like that.
That's so
You're
hard.
still here.
I can't talk.
Noob.
Who's the noob, bro? You're the noob. I get it. You feel for it.
Let's see you.
Now, who is the dumb, bro?
You, of course.
Speed bro.
See, you're still down here.
I gotta quit this job. What?
I
Nah.
follow you guys named
I gotta end this video because I can't end this game. This is so hard. I hate this game.
You know what? That's just for today, man. This is so hard. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
You know what, guys? I'm done. But we can play a next OB that much more easier this fucking hill. So
See you later.
see you later, and don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.